No.
Okay, Cheyenne, how old are you?
I'm 18.
You know, when I was your age, I was 19. And, also, how long does it take you to get to school, child?
About 10 minutes.
You know, when I was your age, I had to walk to school uphill both ways, through the snow and through the rain and the hail and the sand and the sleet. I used to have to walk to school even when the postman would stop.
I remember those days. They're hard on me, too.
You know, Andrew, when I was a child and we used to play stickball, I could hit 5 blocks in stickball.
We never believed you when you first told us. We had to shout in passion, and boy, did it fly.
Then I hit that alligator down in the sewers with a stickball, and you guys all shut up about me not being able to play stickball.
You were the best.
Those were the days.
I miss those days.